Discover the Vivo V30 Pro 5G, where cutting-edge technology meets artistic design. This smartphone is a masterpiece of innovation, ready to elevate your mobile experience. Featuring a ZEISS professional portrait camera, the Vivo V30 Pro 5G captures life's moments with stunning clarity and professional-grade quality. The sleek design houses a record-breaking 5,000 mAh battery, blending power and elegance in a device that redefines endurance. With the MediaTek Dimensity 8205G processor, expect smooth and responsive performance, whether you're gaming or multitasking. The 50 MP AF group selfie feature ensures that every face in your group shots is clear and focused, making memories even more memorable. Charging is a breeze with the 80W flash charge, giving you the power you need, fast. Available in classic black and Andaman blue, the Vivo V30 Pro 5G is not just a phone, it's an extension of your style.